What's up people and what's up internet, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So yeah, once again welcome back to the channel. Here it's me, Payo Kasi. If you are new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, okay? Don't forget that. And today I'm here with Classic 350. You gotta explore this beautiful environment, beautiful nature. You know, everything is green. Wow, just look at this. Heading to some places I'll be heading to, and I'll show you later, and explore the jungle at some time. So this is a fresh water stream. I'm gonna drink water from here, okay? So this is gonna be so fun. It's so fresh, so cool, you know. Wow. I just parked the bike over there and I'm with my helmet, and I'll be going up and explore the forest, the jungle, and also there's a little farm, and I'll take you there, okay? So just stay tuned and watch till the end. Let's enjoy, feel this fresh air and also the sun heat. Look around this beautiful environment. Did you guys see on my back the red palm fruits, okay? Just feel it. I'm gonna pluck it. I'm gonna have it in front of you. It's so tasty, and it's gonna be over this season, okay? That's right. So sour and also sweet. So tasty. It's so freaking hot and tired. It's literally difficult to take a breath. It's so stiff out here and just down there. Oh! Stay healthy, stay positive, and always stay hydrated. Listen to the sound of nature, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. One of my favorite places. Let's have a look at this beautiful nature. Oh, I'm gonna climb over there, okay? Just have a look at this. How do I climb? Oh, my long pen is a little bit high. Wow. Wow, look at this. The real early man. Wow. It's me. Woo! 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 Wow. That should man do, okay? And wow. You guys want to see what is this? Wow, just have a look at this. So look at it. Say hi to the viewers. Mwah. Give a kiss. Mwah. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. I'm back again to the road, to the single road over here, and also the bike, and I'm gonna go back home. It's so hot, but I had a good memories, and I spent, I spent well my day, and I'm gonna head back home.